Hey everyone, Sebastian here. So I just wanted to do a quick update on the crypto market right now. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning. This would be Wednesday, and prices have been falling. So why don't we just get into it right now? So here's the title. So Bitcoin falls to 200-day moving average. If you wouldn't mind, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. Hitting the like button as well helps the YouTube algorithm. So let's get into it. So here's the market right now is the way it looks at, 1:15 or so in the morning. I've been looking at the market for the past couple hours, just watching Bitcoin fall and fall. And here's cheers to you guys. Having a little adult beverage at night. So if we look at Bitcoin, obviously we had all the major stock markets down yesterday, and then Bitcoin obviously fell within the last, if we look at the 1 hour chart here, fell within the last couple hours, was hovering right around this range, which was around the 42,000 range, and then it just plummeted within the hour down to 40,460, and then it went down even further to a low of 38,500. But if we look at it, we can see here's the red line. The red line is the 21 week moving average, and the blue line here is the 200-day moving average. So we went past it, and it'll be interesting to see what happens in the next 24 hours to 48 hours to see if we can actually stay above this 200-day moving average. If we can, that's a good sign. I think we may be out of the woods for the drop. But the overall drop from the highs on Bitcoin has been pretty substantial if we look at it. So if we measure it, let's see here, we were right around here. We came down to here. So almost 40% drop from the all-time high, which was 64,899. At least that's what's showing up on TradingView right now. And I think we may hit bottom right here. If we look at, let's see here, there's an article here. 280 billion wiped off crypto market as Bitcoin falls below 40,000 for the first time. Key points is Bitcoin fell more than 13% to hit an intraday low of 38,585 at around 12:54 a.m. ET, according to CoinDesk data, that was the lowest level since February 9th. The last time it dropped below 40,000. Bitcoin is off about 39% from its all-time high of 64,000. So we're right around there. We were saying 40%. On Tuesday, 3 Chinese banking and payment industry bodies issued a statement warning financial institutions not to conduct virtual currency-related business. If we go down here further, let me see here. Obviously, a lot of it has been tied to Elon Musk and his tweet and his suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin. So then they write here, Musk's comments caused over 300 billion to be wiped off the entire cryptocurrency market that day. Yeah, that wasn't good. But here's the China hardline on digital currencies is not new. In 2017, authorities shut down local cryptocurrency exchanges and banned so-called initial coin offerings. We knew that. However, Bitcoin is still up over 40% year to date and 320% in the last 12 months. Here's a question close to a bottom for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is off by about 39% for its all-time high. I'm going to butcher his name here. Via Ayer, head of business development at cryptocurrency exchange Luno, said that at 30 to 40% pullback is normal during Bitcoin bull markets. And that's true. We've had, in 2017 at least, we've had 6 drops where it was greater than 35% drop. This is, I think, our only second drop that we've had this year where we dropped below, where we pulled back 30%. So all things considered, I think we're doing really, really, really well. So he stated, so this is very much expected after we topped out at 64K. He said, IR pointed to a roughly 35% correction in January as well as similar falls during the huge run-up in Bitcoin's price in 2017. We are definitely close to a bottom around 38 to 40,000, he said. And then obviously Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital CEO Novogratz on Bitcoin, crypto, and ESG concerns. Bitcoin bull Mike Novogratz told CNBC on Tuesday that he sees 40,000 as a buying level for the digital currency. The investor who runs cryptocurrency financial services and investment management, Galaxy Digital, said he expects Bitcoin to consolidate in a trading range between 40 and 55,000. Then we'll have another lag up, and I say that not just by guessing. We see institutions moving in, and it takes them a while, Novogratz said. So that's all good news. On Bitcoin, I think this may be the bottom. Obviously, the next 24 to 48 hours will obviously give us a lot of details as far as if we're right on that. Here's the other interesting part. If we look at the RSI here, the RSI is on the daily chart, or what we're looking at, the weekly chart, sorry. So on the weekly chart, the RSI is about 46 or so. The last time we were at this range was down here in April 13th of last year, and the price at that point was between 7,200 and 6,500 roughly. We can't argue with that, and I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that. So here it is. Here's the RSI right there for this week. Last time we were at this range, we were right here, which is right around 7,400 and 6,400. So that's a huge increase that we've seen over the past year in the price, and the RSI is just matching up to it right now. So this is a nice little pullback that we're seeing. I think from here we are positioned in a good way to go up even higher to get all new all-time highs. So if we look at also Doge has also been hasn't touched the 21-week moving average or the 200-day moving average. It's still way up above to where it was. But the nice thing is, obviously, the RSI has come down on the weekly, the daily, the 4 hours obviously down. The good thing on this one is that it's not, if you look at the RSI here, we were at right around this price range. So we're not seeing a trend down. We're kind of seeing like it's neutral right now. So that's a good sign. I think we might be able to go up higher from here. Stellar, same thing, has dropped. Everything has dropped. I mean, you can look at it. ADA is down 12%. It has recovered from its low of, what was today's low? $1.58 and change, and it's now at $1.75. So it has recovered from this kind of market crash that we've seen. So like I said before, the next 24, 48 hours is going to be interesting to see where things, whether they're going to start bouncing back up, or if we're going to be stuck in this pattern for a little while, kind of like the accumulation period where people are just going to be accumulating more and more during this time, and the paper hands are getting out. So we'll see. With that being said, I think that's all I have to say for you guys. Comment down below what you guys think. If you think this is going to pan out the way I'm thinking, or if you're thinking otherwise. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I post a new video Monday through Friday and sometimes on the weekends. So if you find these videos useful, please smash the like button and please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps me out tremendously. You can also support me on my Patreon. All the links are in the description, including the news sources. Have a great day, and until next time,